Okay. Now, let me check something here. I should have done that before I started, but that's okay. I just want to make sure that big screen and oh, I see. Okay, so okay, I just want to make sure that my big head wasn't in the way totally all the time. Okay, so I've actually changed the text, the font of the thumbnail, which you'll see later when it's uploaded or when it's posted. But which I don't like very much, but I kind of saved it, and so that's just the way that goes. Um, okay, so so we got duplicate your audio source, tidy up your audio sources, return to your game ending script, update your game ending script to play audio. Okay, so I am going to presume that we're going to get 5 and 6 done, but maybe not 7. We might get to 7, but my guess is that we will just do 5 and 6, and we'll see. Okay, so rather than repeat this process for the 2 game ending sound effects, let's be more efficient and duplicate the game objects, then change the settings as appropriate. In the hierarchy window, select the ambient game object uh, and duplicate it twice with Control D, as it is, or Command D as it is on Mac. Rename the first copy escape and the second cot. So, rename this escape. Escape. And we'll name this cot. Cot. Okay. 2. The only difference between these two sound effects will be the audio clip used. The settings are exactly the same. In the hierarchy window, press Control and click on the escape and cot objects. This enables you to add them both together. Okay, so Control. I see. They're both selected anyways. I was just doing it. With both escape and cot game objects selected, disable the play on awake checkbox. Okay. Disable the loop checkbox. Okay. Set the volume back to 1. Back to 1. Okay. Now that you have their common settings adjusted, you can set the audio clip for each. Select the escape game object and set the audio clip for its audio source component to SFX Win either by dragging it from the project window or using the circle select button. So SFX Win. Where is SFX Win? Right here. Okay. Got that. Select the cot and SFX game over. So, oops, wrong deal. SFX, where's game over? Game over, man, game over. You need to include that whenever you have a game over in any game. You need to include, who was that? Was that Hicks? In Aliens, he was freaking out all the time. And that was one of his lines. It was like, game over, man, game over. Bill Paxton's character, anyways. Okay, so, right. Now that you set up your non-diegetic audio sources, but before you move on to implementing the escape and cot sounds, let's tidy up audio sources under a single parent. Mark step as completed. And we'll go ahead and make sure we save this. And tidy up your audio sources. To tidy up your audio sources, in the hierarchy window, create an empty game object, rename it to audio. Okay. Create empty, rename it audio. Select the 3 sound effects, those 3 sounds. Control and click on each of them. Okay, so select not audio. Drag the selected game object to the audio game to make it their parent. Okay, and I don't know where, if it doesn't say it in here, I will go ahead and actually add 0 to these also. I don't know if it matters, but that's what we'll do. Wait a second. Alright. I guess it's fine because right. Because ambient was 0 anyway, so if these were also 0, then everything's hunky-dory, right? Right. Okay. Let's go ahead and save that. Now, see, now we're actually getting into return to your game ending script. Now you've tidied up, move on to implementing the game ending sounds of the game ending script. Project window, open asset scripts folder, double click on the game ending script to open it for editing. So let's go down to scripts, game ending. Let's open it for editing. Alrighty. Okay, so let's here. All right. Okay, so it looked like this. Does this whoop? Ah. Dang. Okay. Does this look like this? Okay, I take my glasses off so I can see this better. Because I'm looking at little tiny writing, and with my glasses on, well, with my glasses on, it just kind of focuses it more and makes it harder to look at. But we don't care, do we? Okay, so you need engine, fade direction, blah blah. Okay, player to exit, on trigger enter, cop player, update, end level. Alright. We're probably going to go into the end level dealy to actually do this. In any case, let's do this thing. Let's do it. Okay, it looked like this. Okay, completed. Alright. Update your game ending script to play audio. Now this is where we actually, you know what? Since this is what I said we get to, let's go ahead and reset this, and let's do a little quick recap. So, now I'm gonna go ahead and minimize this for a sec, and then I'm gonna put this back because I only did that for comparison, anyways. Okay, so we added 3 pieces of audio. We actually just added these 2. We duplicated them. We changed their settings just a little bit, and then, so yeah, now we have some audio in there. Okay, so yeah, and it looks like we did good. And okay, we don't want I haven't done number 8 yet. I'll move that back up there. So yeah, we'll continue. We'll be adding some script, and we'll see you about the game ending. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.